Hi, welcome back. We're going to be doing our summer craft today, and today we've got a butterfly mask. Going to look a little something like this. It does not come with elastic, so you will have to hold it up to play, but it will also come with a dinosaur mask, like so. That way you can play with either or. The dinosaur mask does come with the elastic though. All right, let's jump right in. So, in your butterfly craft kit, you are going to get your butterfly mask, a body, 2 purples, 2 of these yellow, 2 blues, then 2 of these lighter pink. You're also going to get some dots and a little square form. So, you're going to want to pop those out in a minute. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our center, peel off our back, and stick him right in the middle. Now the back of this is sticky, so when you're playing with it, you'll want to be careful that it doesn't stick to your face. You can make it unsticky by just kind of like rubbing some fabric on it and sticking and re-sticking it a couple of times. But this is going to help us hold it in place for now. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our big pink pieces and we're going to line them up right above the eye holes. So we're going to peel off the back, put the waste in the trash can, and right there. And do the same on the other side. Put our trash in the trash can. And then right along the top, just like so. Then we're going to take our yellow pieces. They're going to live up here in the top. We got 1 and 2. We're going to discard our trash in the trash can and place that there. Alrighty. Now I like our blue pieces. They're going to go down here. Everything in this craft is peel and stick. Alright, there we go. Last large pieces we are going to place here in the corners in our empty spot. And again on the other side. Next, we're going to pop out all of our little round pieces here. We're going to discard our trash in the trash can, of course. We're going to pop out all these bad boys, and then we've got 6 of them here, and so you're just going to peel off the little teeny tiny backs and then just plop them down anywhere you want on here. They're so teeny tiny. Oops, picked up like a few of them. They like to stick together. And I'm going to put this one here. I think there looks fun. And you can use all of these, or none of these, or just some of these, whatever you feel like doing. I'm going to use all 6 that came in my kit. And here we are. And then we're going to pop out our eyes so that we can see through it. Again, be sure to put all of your trash in the trash can. And this is our butterfly craft. It doesn't come with an elastic, so you will have to hold it up to your eyes. But this is it. Hope you guys enjoy. You guys have a good day.